Hello, McBride students. Welcome back to another PE lesson. Are you ready for some football? Okay, that's what we're here for today. We're going to get after it. We're going to check out some TD celebrations, touchdowns, of course, and let's have some fun, guys. Woo! Man, it's cold out here. Let's warm up by the fire. That's better. Lambo lead! Hey! Hey guys! Woo! Touchdown! Oh! Touchdown! Let's go bowling! Oh. Man, oh man! Oh! Touchdown! Woo! Touchdown! Yeah! You know, in football they wear helmets. Which football player on the field wears the biggest helmet? The one with the biggest head. All right, guys, let's get warmed up here. Here we go. Jumping jacks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And squats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Arm swings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And that'll do it, guys. Good job. Okay, guys, so we are starting our football unit today. I know a lot of us love football, okay? A lot of us are too young to be on actual football teams and things, but we've just played it for fun, okay, whether it's in PE or at home or whatever, okay? Let's talk about two things before we get started today. Let's talk about properly holding a football, okay? So when you're carrying a football, you don't want to run around with it like this because very possible somebody could come smack it out of your hand, and that is called a fumble. Most of you knew that, I bet, okay? And so we call it ball security, okay? To take care of the football when we're running with it, okay? A good way to do it, put 2 fingers on that tip of the ball there, okay? Separating the tip, okay? And take that point, put it into your elbow here, okay? And then you want to hold it what we call high and tight, okay? Tight to your body and kind of up here high, because if you carry it down here, okay, just as easily somebody could come and knock that football away, which would be a fumble, okay? So you want to keep it up here, and when you're running, the ball does move, okay? But not quite as much as your other arm, okay? And you rub it against your body kind of as you're running down the field with that ball, okay? So that is some tips on ball security and carrying the ball correctly, okay? That is some detailed information for us, okay? And then throwing a football, okay? On a football, these are called I'm sure you know, a lot of us, laces, okay? Those are the laces, okay? And those are there to help us grip the football, okay? Now, it is going to depend on the size of the ball and the size of your hands, how you're able to hold that ball, okay? When I hold it like this, okay? I have 2 fingers on the laces. This one is right next to them. This one is near the front, and my thumb is on the opposite side, okay? So this is a good, comfortable grip for me when I'm throwing a football, okay? You might do 3 fingers on the laces. You might do 1. It just depends on the ball and the size of your hands, okay? When we throw, okay, like when we throw most things, if we're a right-handed thrower, we step with the left leg, okay? If we're a left-handed thrower, we of course would step with the right leg, okay? Now, there is a little bit of a difference when you throw a football, okay? So, I'm here, okay, I got two hands on the ball. I'm gonna hold it up here by my shoulder, and I am going to kind of drop my waist a little bit, okay? I'm gonna go here, my other hand's gonna come off, I'm gonna initiate my step, and you actually turn the point of the ball that's gonna go down the field, you point it backwards, okay? So it twists like so, okay? And this arm is kind of in this position, and you follow through, and that tip comes around, and you make the throw, okay? So, looks like this, here. Another look, here, okay? You don't wanna, you can see, if I hold the tip forward the whole time, this looks very unnatural, and it feels very unnatural, okay? So you wanna twist the ball, and then bring it back around, okay? Twist, back around, okay? Just like so. So those are some tips for you on carrying the ball and on throwing the ball. All right, guys, for our first drill today, if you have a football at home, fantastic, go ahead and grab it. You'll put it to good use in this video. If you don't have a football, any ball will do, guys, okay? But a football, it would be fun if you had a football around, okay? Even if it's flat, okay, and that's all fine, okay? Obviously, if it has air, awesome, but, and then also we need some kind of target. I'm gonna use a cardboard box, okay? You could use anything. You could use a cardboard box, you could use a laundry basket, and or just any target that can be hit with the ball, okay? So I'm just gonna take this here, and I'm going to put it here, and you can use whatever space available you have, okay? If you don't have very far, just throw not quite as far. If you have a box or a laundry basket, we're gonna just try to drop it in there and see if we can make it on a few throws. If you don't, if you have just a shoe or whatever your target is, okay, just try to hit the target, okay? So we are just gonna work on a little bit of throwing here. And let's do 10 throws, okay? And try to hit your target or make it in your basket, okay? As many times as you can. Here we go. Number one. Ooh, I made it. Hustle and get it. That's one. Can't believe it went in. Here we go. Oh, a little far. On target, but a little far. That's two. Nice. Three. In and out. Fourth throw. That'll happen. If it bounces out, still an excellent throw. Another one bounces out. That's five. 5 more throws, guys. Make sure you're doing it with me. That one stayed in for me. 6. 4 more. That was in and out. 7. Missed that one. 8. Bar, 9. Last throw, guys. Off. 10 throws. Good job with those throws. Okay, we'll get on to the next drill. All right, guys. We know that in football, a lot of times, the ball carrier, when they have the ball, their job is just to avoid the defense, right? Avoid the obstacles in their way and try to get down the field and get towards the other team's end zone, which would result in a touchdown if they make it in, okay? And so this is, I just have 4 objects or 4 cones, okay? You could use anything, shoes, to set this up, okay? And they're set up in kind of a zigzag pattern, okay? One there, and then at an angle to here, another angle to here, another angle to here, okay? And what we're gonna do is we're gonna be a ball carrier, okay? However we got the ball as a running back, wide receiver, we got the ball. and we are going to run through these cones, okay, as kind of like as obstacles, okay? So I'm going here. Hopefully you have yours set up. Mine are only, 7 feet apart or so, okay? And so you can do this even in a small room, okay? So what we're going to do is we'll go slow motion on the first one. We're going to go around this cone. We're going to switch the ball to our left hand. Around this one, switch. This one, just like so, okay? That was in slow motion. So whatever ball you have, even if you have a normal ball, okay? You want the ball here, you start it in your right, go around the cone, move it to your left. Good job. When I move that ball over, okay, I'm just shifting it over using my whole arm, putting my whole arm on top of it to move it, okay? Here we go, muscle back. Good. Great exercise. When you get to the cone, stick your outside foot in the ground to change direction. Couple more. Good job, guys. Good little footwork, conditioning, and ball security drill. Good job. All right, guys, this drill is called the W drill, okay? So I'm going to form a W, one cone. You can use a shoe, water bottle. Come up at a small angle, another small angle. Move this over just a little bit. And another one. And last one, okay? So if I looked at this, and if I drew a line, it would make a W, okay? Now this is a great drill for, shift it just a little bit, defense in football, okay? Because in football, quite often, you are, when you're playing defense, you're backpedaling, okay? When you backpedal, you want to drop down, okay? You want to have your chin over your toes. You want to have your arms here, and you want to backpedal like this, okay? So what we're going to do is going to start over here, okay, going up to the top point of the W, okay? I'm going to run forward, and I'm going to backpedal. Run forward, backpedal. Run forward, and backpedal. Just like so. I'm not sure if you can see me when I'm off to the side here, okay? And hopefully you have it set up. We'll do it again. Run forwards, backpedal. Run forwards, backpedal. Run forwards, backpedal. Good. Again. And going back. Good job, guys. Take a quick pause. We'll do one more there and back, okay? We're not moving as fast as we can, okay? We're staying under control and just working on doing that proper backpedaling, okay? And changing directions. Here we go. Good, and last one. All right, good job, guys. That was the W drill. Great for all sports, great for just exercise, okay, but quite common drill for defense in football. All right, guys, excellent start to football today. The next 5 minutes, I'm going to put up a timer. Go ahead. If you have somebody to play catch with, that would be perfect, okay? Just have some fun, play catch with the football back and forth, okay? If not, you can continue with any of the drills that we just did. Come up with your own football drills, okay? Or just be active for the next 5 minutes, okay? If you just wanted to work on a little bit of catching, okay? We didn't talk much catching today. You can just throw the ball up and down to yourself, okay? And work on that for a little bit, okay? And we'll talk more about football next time. Have a great day.